Dusty!
Hello,
Where are my things? Where's my bags?
Why would I know, mate?
You just saw what happened. You saw myself. Where are my bags? You're not friends with
You
me.
lost fair and square. Get out of here. Bye.
You see my bags. You let you know.
He's gone, Highway.
Thanks, mate.
How you doing? What's in there anyway? You might as well just throw that away.
Just valuable things.
Anyway, I saw your promo about vote for Dusty, vote for Highway.
I know.
I can see it now. Yeah. Dusty Highway. The bionic elbow, the jabs, the DDT, and the bionic shoulder. You must have 2 guns, right? If you don't have them on you, you need to bring them next time.
Oh.
Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Dusty Highway? Fix up, look sharp. Bend.
Oh. And
Let's go.
I hear there's going to be a title match coming.
I don't like it. Yes.
Well, as you can tell by the music who it's going to be, can't you?
Oh yes, definitely.
That music
I
is
sing
getting
this
in
song
my
a lot of
ears.
times.
And the man from the fatherland is coming for wrestling, yeah?
Oh yeah, you like wrestling. What racism in this audience?
He's after Deutschland über alles.
Yeah.
Getting a shot at the British Counties Championship.
Oh, he came close to winning the championship.
Well, now he's got straight into another shot, another title.
Will he win it this time?
Well, that's why we have the match. Find out.
I like this song as well.
I bet you do.
It's a good song.
The crowd's going to explode once he comes out, surely.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Why not?
They'll blatantly explode. They'll come out of their seats. They'll come unglued.
Yeah, you know what?
They'll go, yay! I like that guy. He's good. That's what they'll say.
Yeah, someone can say that. Someone just say yay. All these.
Shenanigans were plenty though, weren't there? And then gave Mr. Hollywood the automatic rematch there and then, where he was defeated. He's no longer your BCW champion. But I've got to believe there's a BCW title match in his future.
I'm sure there is.
Automatic rematch clause, of course. The bell rung. The crowd solidly behind Joel Lightning.
Oh yes, he's a talented wrestler. Even you had a match against him, didn't you?
Yes, and I'm not going to say he's a bad wrestler. Oh, but Luthor Reinhardt just
Oh, he doesn't know, does he?
tossed him right off.
Oh, no, another fucking match.
Joel Lightning was all over the place after that.
Can't really get much for that.
Oh, using his speed and quickness. There. Spinning him around, snapping a takedown. Into a rear chin lock.
Joe Lightning wearing his old tag team uniform as well. Just for the
Yes.
fans to know.
And I've certainly not seen 4 of these today. Oh, and there's a shot. And there's a club.
You've got to think Joe Lightning must have
Well, Luthor Reinhardt was successful in a lumberjack match against Drake Williams.
Yes, he was.
Oh, scratching his back. Dropping on his back. going crossfaces across the chest and jaw of Joe Lightning.
I think I put him in knee. Come on.
Well, it was very successful for Marcella earlier, wasn't it?
Yes, right. Joe Lightning must be happy that he's still in it.
I bet he is. But of course, having a British Counties Championship title defence, couldn't be out there with her. But didn't need her. Oh, he's going for a pin. Yes, he is. A 2 count. A bit of a fast count there by the ref.
A bit of a fast count. The referee likes to say it as well. Good ref.
Oh, ducks the line there, does Joel. He drops him like he's hot. Oh, catches the boot. Oh, into the ropes and to the outside, to the outside, to the outside.
You horrible man!
Heinrich throws him into the post. Proof that he doesn't work for Royal Mail because that post arrived.
Hey, free!
Unexpected post.
Oh!
Unexpected post.
And Joe Lightning is certainly feeling that unexpected item in the bagging area.
6!
This is gone.
7 there. The referee saw nothing wrong with that. Obviously, did not get him in the knackers.
He's just relaxing on the floor.
Referee, give him the 5 count. Illegal manoeuvre.
The ref heard Joe.
The referee paying attention. Oh, and round the
That's what
post.
the referee needs.
The referee needs to start giving the 10 count now. Come on. Give him the 10 count, ref. Go on.
Right, no, he's back in the
Use rules. Because Benedict... Benedict Arnold there, of the Guild, I was told.
Yes.
Luthor Reinhardt, using the rules to his advantage.
This guy knows how to use the rules to his
Oh, no, that was a bit low, referee. Referee saying inside thigh, though. Or maybe the stomach, I don't know. He's not really saying anything, he's just sort of looking. Oh, and a shot to the gut, and a shot to the face. You don't like that, do you, Mr. Orange?
I do not like it. A fist to the face.
Oh!
That's
Using the ropes now, the corner post, anything he can get his hands on. It's like as if he wants to be British Counties champion.
well, yeah, he's in this match. He wants to win.
I know! Don't be like the music man, Mr. Orange.
You're what's stating obvious? No, stating obvious. Let me go.
I say tomato, you say... Why would you say tomato? It makes no sense.
That's how it
Next you'll be saying you're going to say potato. Who says potato?
Well, apparently
no
you.
one says potato. It's potato. And Luthor Reinhardt... Oh, he's lost control there. Joe Lightning throwing a forearm shot anywhere he can.
With your potato comment.
Why are you referencing that? Look at the match. The match, Mr. Orange.
What a kick to the
Crowd thinking he sounds a bit bully today. Oh, Joe Lightning is now throwing the fists again. But there's a lack of pep on those shots and the punishment taken so far. And Luthor Reinhardt seems to be one step ahead of Joe Lightning here.
Could we see the new British Counties champion?
We could. And it could be Luthor Reinhardt.
It could be.
He's trying to get him up there. Not successful. And a big body drop. Joe is down. Throwing a forearm, whipping him like an Irishman. Back elbow. Oh!
Fine.
What's he got in store next?
Build up on
His knee buckled.
They couldn't take it.
His knee just buckled there.
Buckle.
Buckle! Buckle!
2, 3, 4, get out!
5 could have disqualified him. Oh, no, the referee's down!
He's down.
Oh, and that was a hell of a blow there by Luthor Reinhardt. The referee's knocked out of the ring. He's in pain. Oh, now,
where's he going?
What's Luthor going for? He's
What are you
putting
going
his
for?
head. He's going for the belt. He's going for the belt. He's going for the. He's going for the belt.
The ref is
And he connected with the belt. He said, no, look, he's not going to do it this way, is he?
can't be it.
We have a new British Counties champion! The crowd are angry! They are angry! But Luthor Reinhardt is your British Counties champion! Someone threw it over there. Well, it depends if it's a history about wrestling. Oh no! Wave that German flag across your former British Counties champion and former BECW champion.
He's lost nearly everything. I think he didn't lose Marcella.
Well, he didn't lose Marcella.
Oh, yeah.
After the epic match she had, she can't be here to save him. What a shocking turn of events here at the visiting time at the Asylum.